At a hydropower plant, Simatec ensures correct installation of new screw pump bearings using simatherm IH125 and the simatool bearing handling tool. Why invest much time and effort in handling heavy bearings when the solution is just around the corner? The bearing handling tool from Simatec is that solution. Able to carry bearings up to 500 kilograms. Tested and certified. See how easy and swift it operates in the field. Maneuvered effortlessly on the brand new IH125 for safe heating. Some last preparations and we are ready to go. Easy to operate via the display or app. Store your heating data by exporting the heating process for data tracking, audits, guarantees, and certification. Spare yourself hours of time that could be spent more efficiently. The bearing handling tool and IH125 give you that edge. Experience more on how to increase safety and efficiency in your workshop.